game is called Fairy Tale Survivor. This is for 4 performers. Natatayo na ngayon din. Ayan. So the way this game works is that they are going to simply retell a wonderful story. Pero it's called Survivor for a reason. It's an elimination game. Kaya mamaya, pag may ma-eliminate sa kanila, they have to continue the story with the same number of characters, but 1 player less or 2 players less as we go on until there is 1 lone survivor. So please, give me your favorite romance story. It could be, ano? Notting Hill? Oh, lakas eh, Notting Hill. Sige. Sana alam niyo yung kwento. It doesn't matter. All right. This is Fairy Tale Survivor with Notting Hill. Ding ding. Babe, this hill.
This hill.
I love it.
You know what? I named it after our last names.
Uh-huh.
Notting Hill Hill.
Because you're Jeremiah Notting and I'm Mariah Hill. Babe, I love this. Oh my God.
It's so nice.
I just think that maybe you could have gotten me more than just a hill.
Excuse me po, this is Notting Hill's shoe mart.
Yes, I also made design.
You made me a shoe mart.
Yes, no, we have
And
customized shoes with knots. Babe, you know I love knots.
Oh my God!
Oh, I'm the guardian of the well on this hill.
Oh my gosh, babe, look at his hair. Maraming knots.
You took a pail of water from a hill.
Boy, shoe, I
No! No! Look at how cute this monster is. Babe, I can't believe you got me a Notting monster.
Did not get I did not.
Ayan, that is exactly how Notting Hill goes. Okay, so again, we have to vote 1 person out of this wonderful cast. Who do you want to rest so that the rest can do the whole game
Right,
again?
who wants Terry to go? Who wants Jerry to go? Who wants Isa to go? Who wants Gigi to go?
Alright, thank you, Iso. Okay,
We're spared from continuing.
thank you, Iso. You've served us well. This is Notting Hill with these 3 people.
Babe, I absolutely love this hill. You got me.
Yeah, I named it after us. Our names. Jeremiah Hill. Nothing. And Maria Hill.
Welcome to our land, new neighbors.
Oh, I also bought you a
Congratulations.
store.
Ha, I'm the shoe man. I have shoes for you, Miss Mariah Hill.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
I know you're Babe, what is that?
He took water from my well. I am the guardian of the hill.
Oh my God, you look like a hairy man.
Oh yes, that's our local specialty here.
Oh my God, babe! You got the hairy.
Very good, very good. The same exact story. Who are we saving once more? Who are we removing? Do you want Jarek out? How about Terry? How about Gigi? Gigi. Gigi was loud. You are saved. This is Notting Hill with Terry and Jarek.
Oh my God, babe, I absolutely love the hill you got me. It's so nothing.
I named it after us. Jeremiah Nothing and Mary Hill.
Yes.
Welcome to the shoe mart.
You got us a shoe man.
Of course, I bought this. It's a store. It's more than a hill now. Thank you for the shoes. It's made of nuts. You know I love nuts, babe. this hill. Oh, babe, ano to? So cute. It has nuts on its hair.
That is our specialty. Our mascot, si Mr. Nothing Man.
You have cursed our forest, our hill. Babe, I love this. You know I love nuts.
Ayan, may kinakain na si Mariah. Okay, last person to remove. Do we want Jeric out? Do we want Terry out? Hey, for the last time, this is Notting Hill, starring Jeric.
Can I just say, I thank you for coming to the show?
Mamaya na pogi points, Notting Hill.
Oh my God, babe! Thank you for this hill! Oh yes, babe! I need it after us! Nothing. Jeremiah, nothing. And Maria Hill. Oh, but this is just more than a hill, right? It's so bare. No, babe. No, babe. There is a shoe store over there. Welcome to SM. We have made shoes for you. It's made of nuts. Babe, I can eat the shoes, right? It's made of nuts. It's my favorite. I love nuts. You guys, you have cursed this hill. I am the goblin of the hill. You have drank water from our well. Ano yan? Babe, it's so cute. I want it. Babe, it has nuts on its hair. Babe, hindi ko yan gift. Babe, I want it. It's so cute. This is a hairy man.
Yeah, I actually wanted that to go on for a while. Jeric, like Thanos, is inevitable.